So with this look, we're going to be doing a messy low bun. We're going to start on this side and we're going to separate out some soft hairs to leave down around the front of the face. And we're going to repeat that on the other side. Turn this way. So we can leave down a couple of hairs here in the temple and up here around the face. We'll start with just a ponytail. And we're going to keep everything down really low on the neck. For some volume, we're just going to grab here and we're going to pull up. And that gives it a little bit of body. Next step, really easy. We're going to start by splitting the pony into 2 pieces. And we are just going to tie that in a knot, like so, and pin. And there is a simple, quick dinner look. So cute. I love that. All right, and then if you want to add some extra flair to it, you can add a pin. Just like so. And that's it.